You lost track of the latest file version, or have two people working with the different versions of the same file. Something that's even more important than CAD is the platform behind everything. These common issues are exactly what 3D Experience is built to prevent. I'm William from PLM Group, and in this video I will explain what the 3D Experience platform actually does and why it is important for hardware startups. In simple terms, 3D Experience is a cloud platform where your product development and cooperation happens. It connects your designs, your team, and your data. And this matters because things can get messy fast. If you don't have proper systems, you'll end up with files all over, different versions floating around, and your team not being on the same page, which can slow things down. In the startup world, speed and clarity are everything. And when your data is in order, investors will have higher trust in your company. 3D Experience solves all of that. All of your data in one place, built-in version and revision control, making collaboration easier internally and externally, giving people access from anywhere with any device. How does 3D Experience work in the real world? Imagine your startup has one designer, one co-founder, and one external partner. Instead of sending files back and forth via email, everyone works in the same environment with the same data that automatically updates. This is not just about saving time. It's about building a foundation that actually scales when your team and business grow. Because at some point things will get more complex, and if the foundation isn't there, it can lead to missed opportunities.